Hey everybody, how's it going? Derek here from AddictiveTips, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get the PrivateVPN system working on Linux with the OpenVPN CLI. And to find that, you'll need to go to the link in the description, but you can also go to privatevpn.com/support, and you can search for OpenVPN CLI. And that's just under Getting Started. And you scroll down, you find Linux, and then you find OpenVPN CLI, and that's where we are. Now we need to first download the shell script. Now the shell script is going to help us get everything that we need. So just click the download button, it'll open up a download dialog, and that will save. I have mine saved in my documents folder, and then we can cd into documents, and we can do sudo bash install.sh. Now from here, we need to install our login details into the terminal here. So my username and my password will need to be filled out. I'm going to quickly pause and I will be right back. I have returned. I have my file manager blocking out my password because I don't want to share it with you guys. But after that, it's going to say installing configuration to default location /etc OpenVPN. And then you can just enter the yes button and it will do the installation. And now to run it, you can do sudo PrivateVPN. And there's no E, but sudo PrivateVPN will automatically start it up, and we will automatically connect to the nearest server. And it goes through our gateway setup process and everything like that, and we know that it's working. In my opinion, the terminal way is the best way, just because, you know, if you go through the other setup process through Linux, yes, you'll be able to have a connection here. Like I have my personal VPN in this menu, and that is convenient, but it's a multi-step process. It's really tedious. And with this, it's just downloading a shell script. And then whenever you need to run a VPN, you literally just... Let's disconnect here. This is all you do is you open up a terminal and you do sudo PrivateVPN, no E, enter your password, and then you have a connection over IPv4 or IPv6. And that's how it works on Linux, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.